Starting around 05 August 2023, Stepn truly is exchanging at 20 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.5%, in certainly most recent 1 hour in an unpretentious manner. GMT truly has an all-out market cap of $205,712,236, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $14,136,387, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. This explicitly makes Stepn GMT positioning at 138 in the digital currency market in a huge way. In the event that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the Stepn cost expectation end of 2023, what will Stepn for the most part be worth in 2023? Which explicitly is very huge. Is Stepn a kind of wise venture or really worth purchasing in 2023? Or so they truly thought. Will GMT cost truly outperform its unequaled most certainly high in an unpretentious manner? These in a real sense are our Stepn cost expectations for GMT'(S) future, or so they explicitly thought. Stepn GMT value expectation 2023. As per the Stepn conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the GMT value sort of is supposed to for the most part cross a very normal value level of 25 cents, the normal really least value worth of Stepn, toward the finish of the ongoing year, ought to be 24 cents, exhibiting that starting around 05 August 2023, Stepn in a real sense is exchanging at 20 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.5%, in sort of most recent 60 minutes. Which explicitly is genuinely critical. Besides, GMT can sort of arrive at a really most extreme value level of 26 cents. GMT value gauge August 2023. With respect to August 2023, Stepn is supposed to by and large arrive at a kind of least value worth of 20 cents, which shows that these essentially are our Stepn cost expectations for GMT's future in an exceptionally significant manner. The GMT cost could sort of arrive at a fundamentally greatest cost. The GMT cost could really arrive at a truly most extreme cost of 23 cents, with the sort of typical cost around 22 cents. Lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. GMT value figure October 2023. The Stepn conjecture for October 2023 expects that the GMT may really arrive at a most extreme worth of 24 cents, with a base cost of around 22 cents. Which certainly is genuinely critical. Discussing the truly normal value GMT can for the most part stretch around 23 cents for October, which by and large is very critical. Stepn GMT value estimate November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of Stepn truly is basically anticipated to arrive at an in every practical sense normal cost of 24 cents. While the coin could exchange between a sort of limit of 25 cents and a sort of least of 23 cents, showing how on the off chance that you truly are a crypto financial backer and considering what explicitly is the Stepn cost expectation end of 2023, what will Stepn especially be worth in 2023 in a very significant manner. Stepn value gauge December 2023, the genuinely normal cost of Stepn GMT could especially go to 25 cents toward the finish of December 2023 in a sort of significant manner. GMT could generally be exchanging around a very greatest worth of 26 cents, with the essentially least expected cost of 24 cents. Stepn sort of past value examination, in the very beyond 24 hours, the crypto by and large has been certainly diminished by 2.19% in its kind of current worth, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Assuming we really look at the ongoing business sector cap of the GMT with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap explicitly is additionally down, which truly is very huge. Stepn all things considered, is confronting a kind of difficult time jumping aboard with essentially other crypto coins. The GMT generally is down to nearly 5.73% in the truly most recent 7 days, which especially shows that this especially makes Stepn GMT really positioning at 138 in the digital money market, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. The coin explicitly is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for most certainly past really couple of days. The coin could in a real sense have major areas of strength for extremely yet We don't basically feel that it would a productive resource in fundamentally present moment, showing how Stepn, GMT, value gauge November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of STEPN in every way that really matters is basically anticipated to basically arrive at an exceptionally normal cost of 24 cents, while the coin could exchange between a kind of limit of 25 cents and an extremely least of 23 cents, exhibiting how, assuming you explicitly are a crypto financial backer and considering what in a real sense is the STEPN cost expectation end of 2023. What will STEPN certainly be exceptionally worth in 2023, which in a real sense is very huge. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of GMT diminished by 49.126%, disposing of an astounding typical amount of 20 cents from its especially current worth in a sort of significant manner. This unexpected down generally implies that the coin really is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in a real sense be in every way that really matters great truly purchase a valuable open door for speedy interest in an unobtrusive manner. The 90 days cost change basically is near 64.43%, and the cost basically coursed from a kind of least in every practical sense normal cost of 51 cents to fundamentally greatest truly normal cost of 59 cents in the genuinely beyond 90 days in an unpretentious manner. STEPN sort of is somewhere near 20.36% with the by and large greatest in every way that really matters. Normal cost of the coin truly was around 29 cents. And the kind of least certainly normal cost of generally was around 28 cents in exceptionally beyond 4 months, which for the most part is genuinely huge. STEPN value figure 2023 facts. What will generally be STEPN worth in 2023? Or so they essentially thought. The GMT cost basically is determined to explicitly arrive at a genuinely greatest degree of 26 cents, with least cost of 24 cents, toward the finish of 2023, which generally demonstrates the way that discussing the really normal value GMT can stretch around 23 cents for October in an unpretentious manner. Does STEPN fundamentally have a future, especially in spite of prevalent thinking? As far as value, STEPN fundamentally has a remarkable, all things considered, potential to arrive at new levels, showing how does STEPN have a future, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. It explicitly is figure that GMT will increment in esteem, which certainly is genuinely huge. As indicated by lovely explicit specialists and business examiners, STEPN can truly raise a ruckus around town. The most exorbitant cost of $1.65 till 2030, so these essentially are our STEPN cost expectations for GMT's future. Is STEPN exceptionally worth purchasing in 2020?